Come here, baby. That's from my lungs. It's April 18, 2020. I never document my coffee. I'm always documenting my skin and what happens to me, but I never do the coffee. Boy. That's why I do my walks, because it loosens up stuff in my lungs and I can cough it up. Because I've been studying with finals, I haven't walked the past couple of days, and tonight I'll have to walk, like whenever I'm done. Walk a couple miles.